Well, today getting out for our annual salmon trip on the Oak Orchard, October 29th. Not the best conditions, kind of rainy today, so we'll see if we get some footage without getting the camera all wet. Try to get our salmon and hopefully maybe get a few bonus brown trout rainbows, but at least a couple nice salmon, huh, Mike?
Yep. All right, Mike, see what we got here, man. Heading down the Oak Orchard. Not as much water coming over the falls as I hoped there would be. How's the color? Well, what do you think, Mike? Water looks in fairly decent condition. It's a little high on this side, but got a touch of color to it. Seen some salmon hooked up here already. Well, let's head down. What do you think? Get a couple of nice big ones?
Yeah.
All right, let's go do it. Let's see. I don't see any jumping yet. Yeah, I got one there. Anal hooked. There goes one. Oh, I saw one jump. Not as much water coming over the fall side this year, huh? I did see one jump. Pool looks a little shallow. There's one. That's cool, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think, man? We got a guy with a fish here. We got fish on this side, Mike. There's the salmon right there. I don't know if I can see him with the glare. Oh, the carnage. Look at that. Guy got a salmon on right there, huh, Mike? Hey, Mike, just seen a few fresh ones just pushing up through that channel. They're right there in that fast water. Barely make them out, see them in there. Right in that fast water in the riffles. Put on a nice white sack for the clear water. 6-pound fluorocarbon. We'll work it there to see if you make a bunch of casts, see if you get one to smack it. Nothing? I seen a couple of the fresh ones just push up. They stopped in there somewhere. Oh, there's a big female right there swimming in that shell in the slack water above there. A couple big ones up above, Mike. Just keep working them, man. Sometimes it takes 20, 30 casts before you even get them to get angry. Mike's got a nice one on. Got it on the white sack. On the white. Well, she's running up a little, Mike. 6-pound test, 6-pound fluorocarbon leader, and a very small white mesh salmon egg sack. There she goes. She's gonna run up in the pool, make her easy to catch, Mike. Get her up into that pool. Water's a lot lower on this side channel than it was last year. The dam side's higher for some reason. There goes another one shot by while Mike's fighting that one. See if you grab her tail, Mike. All right, got her. Yeah. All right, Mike, see what you got here. King salmon.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, she's spitting eggs, huh? All right, look up, Mike. All right, king salmon. Nice going, man. Yeah. All right. You know, Mike had 2 hooked on up here at the falls. Lost them both. I had one hooked on a jig. Working the jigs up here. We're gonna head down, see if we can catch some steelhead. We got one nice salmon so far.
Almost fell in.
It almost looked like Matt Milano reached in there and raked it out, and as Lorenzo had him wrapped up, let's see if we can see a replay and see exactly what happened.
You want me to turn the game off for now? Where'd that one hit on, pink?
Yep.
On a pink egg sack.
Red is the hottest color for some reason.
Yeah, they usually like red. Yeah. Yeah, she's getting tired. You can get her in. Almost got her beat. Almost got her beat. Can't put a lot of pressure on with the light line and the fluorocarbon, but
That's dead, man. It's dead right now.
starting to wear her down.
I still won't be able to find her.
Yeah. Fighting that fish for a while now. She'll be dead pretty soon. Now you can just pull it right in. It'll be floating so long that it just died. It's going. Almost got her.
Dude, I can't buzz this shit.
Trying to run up under that tree there.
Time to chase. Come on, man.
Careful, she's gonna try to get you on them boulders there. Smart fish. She's getting stronger.
Shake her head, sit in the current, and buzzing with 6 pound casts, you know?
Yeah.
They steal it, they'll run a bit and wear themselves out, you know?
Yeah.
Run into the tree.
Alright.
Finally got her in too big, that's why.
Nice.
Look at that.
Nice. Careful.
Whoa. Big mama.
Oh yeah.
Alright, man. Didn't get much of a video today. We ended up with 5 salmon landed. Missed a few more. Mike had a few on jigs. This started raining so hard I couldn't get the camera out. I didn't want to kill my camera. It was pouring rain all day after we got the first couple ones. My camera's not waterproof, and this is already my second camera. First one got wet last year. A few fish. Mike's back for a few days for my vacation. I'm gonna try to get out on Lake Erie tributaries this week. Hopefully they're not all blowing out dirty, right?
Yeah.
All right, that's that, man.